Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay for all media and devices in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on autoplay for all media and devices in Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon, click on Devices. Now in left pane you will find autoplay. Click on autoplay, and the first option, use autoplay for all media and devices. By default it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now autoplay for all media and devices is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.